In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the error 429 error in Notion in 2026. This is a very common issue that usually happens when Notion thinks too many requests are coming from your account at the same time. It can be frustrating because it often appears out of nowhere and stops you from working. The good news is that this error is usually easy to fix, and I'll walk you through it step by step. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more quick and easy software fixes like this. Alright, let's jump straight in. The first thing you want to do is close all extra Notion tabs that you currently have open. If you're like most users, you probably have multiple Notion pages open across different browser tabs or even different windows. Having too many tabs open can trigger the 429 error because Notion limits how many requests your browser can make at once. Go ahead and close every Notion tab except one, and make sure you're only keeping the page you actually need. Once you've closed the extra tabs, the next step is to refresh the page. Simply reload the Notion page you still have open. In many cases, this alone can clear the error because it resets the connection between your browser and Notion servers. Wait a few seconds after refreshing to see if the error disappears. If the error is still there, don't worry, we're just getting started. Next, look at the top corner of your Notion window and click on the arrow next to your profile or workspace name. This arrow opens the main account menu where you can manage your session. From this menu, click on Log Out. This is an important step because logging out completely resets your session and clears temporary request limits that may have been applied to your account. After clicking Log Out, Notion may ask you to confirm. If you see another logout option, go ahead and click it again to fully sign out of your account. Once you're logged out, don't rush back in immediately. Give it a few seconds so the session fully closes in the background. Now go back to the Notion homepage and click on Log In. Enter your email and sign back into your account like you normally would. After logging in, your workspace should load normally without showing the error 429 message. In most cases, these steps completely fix the problem. If you're back inside your Notion workspace and everything is loading correctly, then the issue is resolved. To help prevent this error in the future, try to avoid opening too many Notion tabs at once, especially if you're working with large databases or pages that auto-refresh frequently. And that's it. You've successfully fixed the error 429 error in Notion. If this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more Notion tutorials and software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.